Hi everybody. Well, I got here one of those Christmas calendars. These were actually given out to us as an office Christmas present. And if you haven't seen one of these before, these are actually an old German tradition, Weihnachtskalender. And parents would buy these and give them to their kids, and then every day during the Christmas season, children could open them up and they'd get a little treat for every day leading up to Christmas. So we'll open this one up really quick. And today here in the U.S., I mean, these are readily available at drugstores and dollar stores and whatnot. So basically what the kids would do is you'd look around the calendar and you try to find where the number 1 is. So here's the 1 on this one. And then you have to pop it open. Let's go along the little perf there. And there's a little chocolate. Looks like a little chocolate tree. So let's find number 2. There's the 2. And there's a different chocolate. And this looks like a little chocolate Christmas wreath. And so on and so forth. We'll try to open up here number 3. There's a little Christmas choo-choo. That's cool. And you keep opening them up all the way until you get to, you see what this one ends with. It says 24 days until Christmas. There we go. 24. And on the 24th day, then you get the Santa head. Woohoo, because Christmas and Santa comes on the 24th at nighttime. So, pretty cool. So there you go. Weihnachtskalender, Christmas calendar. So if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2019.